name is Wolfgang, I'm a car mechanic. Welcome to Europe, Germany, Bavaria. Welcome to my new facility, and thank you very much to Bob Brandis for this inviting to the Virtual DeLorean Weekend 2020. But now let's come into the workshop. We begin with car lifts. This is the first car lift of the 8 car lifts in this house. These car lifts are special made for us because the normal German car lifts only have a space from 2.5 meters between the towers, and our car lifts have 2.65 meters in case of the DeLorean. So we can move in the car and don't have to take care of the doors or something like this. Of course, DeLorean, and DeLorean, because DeLorean, this is the main things we do. And on the other side here, you see, this is our 4-tower car lift. This is specially built for work on the suspension system and make the car alignment. This is very, very special. I love this. This is our electric island. Yeah, and here in the back of the island, this is our barrel corner. In our barrel corner, this is a little meeting point. Every day in the morning, we come together with the mechanics and talk about the day and talk about the new challenges of this day. Yeah, and here, this is very interesting. This is our project area, and in this project area at the moment, you see the Pilot 21. This is one of the first DeLorean ever built. Well, no, it's not really a DeLorean because it's built at Lotus in England. Yeah, a Pilot 21, and I bought this years before, and we restored the car. We are close to finish with the frame. We put in the engine and the transmission last week. And next step is the body work. The stainless work is done. It's brushed, it's finished. And yeah, next step is bringing all these together. And we're very hopeful, and beginning of 2021, we can drive the car on the road. And now let's go to the depot. Here in this room, we store all the cars. We have to work on it in the upcoming weeks. There are, of course, a lot of DeLorean, but we don't only fix and repair DeLorean. We work on Lotus cars and on Porsche cars as well. And here on the other side, here, this is our supersonic tire wash machine. And now let's go direction diner. Something to have a look on it. This is our settler area. In this area, we store all the parts, say, are new made from our settler. Yeah, this is our diner. And this is my favorite mug, coffee mug. Here, Southend-on-Sea, greetings to Chris Nicholson from England. Well, yeah, this is our diner. This is our kitchen. Here we spend every lunchtime with a mechanic, sometimes with some clients, with some customers. Here, have a look. Büro in German, this means office in English. So come in, and this is the desk from my sister, from Evelyn. This is the desk from our computer specialist. We need this in this size of a workshop. Well, this is my desktop. I don't prefer to sitting here. I prefer to lay on the car and work on the car, but that's part of life. Yeah, now we are here in our diagnostic and analysis area. Here, have a look. Well, here in this room, we can make tuning and adjustments on the engines. We can check the emission, we make the emission test, the official government emission test here in this house, in this room, and that's the ground floor. And now let's go upstairs. Well, here we are in our Velo-Stüberl. In this room we have a lot of movie props and a lot of merchandising from Back to the Future and a lot of original DeLorean stuff. And now let's go into our piano lounge. Not today. Well, this is our piano lounge. In our piano lounge are a lot of golden DeLorean memories. We had this golden DeLorean, maybe you remember. We sold this weeks ago, and now it have a wonderful new owner. He loved the car, and I hope he will show this in the future more than I showed it, because I only use it for 2,000 miles, 9 years, and so I'm not worthy to own a golden DeLorean. Well, and the next step, next room is our library. This is our library. In our library, well, in the library are books. And now we go into the Delo lounge. Our Magnum Corner. In our Magnum Corner are a lot of Magnum PI movie props, from caps and glasses and the typewriter from Mr. Higgins and the telephones and whatever. Well, that's it. That was the little tour through the world of Team Deloman. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay safe and see you in the future. I'm Wolfgang Hank, only the mechanic.